Let's have a look at the S&P 500 and what do we see on the chart. Let me start first from the quarterly chart. And as we can see, back in the 2009, when we have this bearish price action, eventually we did have a breakout and the beginning of the new bullish trend. So the market is still in the bullish trend in the quarterly chart, not only in the bullish trend, but in the third wave of that bullish trend. And the third target of that bullish trend is the 2.27 to a FIP extension around 51.50, and the fourth target is the 2.618 FIP extension around 56.70. So the quarterly chart looks pretty much bullish. The bullish trend is still intact, and until we see a break below this low in the 2022, we are on track of continuation to the higher. Looking in the monthly chart showing the same picture as the quarterly chart. We have a bullish trend. That bullish trend is still intact. The wave count could be a little bit different. Third wave and fifth wave, and then the market did reach the third target of that fifth wave around 47.10, and then we had a pullback in 2022, and until we see a break below this low, we are still in the bullish trend on the monthly chart. Let's have a look at the daily chart, which the daily chart currently is showing a bearish breakdown. I see a head and shoulder here on the daily chart, which a lot of people might argue that it's not a head and shoulder, but it is a head and shoulder. We see a break, a retest, and then continuation to the downside. The first target of this bearish breakdown is the 1.272 FIP extension and 0.382 FIP retracement around 41.80, and the market is actually very close to that level. And what will be interesting to watch here is if we see a break below that level, that's going to open the door for further declines toward the 0.618 FIP retracement, which match 2.272 FIP extension on the daily chart around 39.20. So the daily chart showing the weakness in the S&P 500. We are seeing that the market is threatening to break this phase line, trend line, and if we see a final break below the 0.382, 0.382 FIP retracement around 41.80, that's going to open the door for a bearish decline toward the 0.618 FIP retracement at 39.20. Let's have a look at the weekly chart to see if that's confirmed this story. Weekly chart, it's currently, yes, we can see that there is a lower low and a lower high, but the weekly chart actually it's still showing the continuation of this bullish run, which started from the bottom of the 2022 around 3,500. So until we see a break below 0.618 FIPS retracement, the weekly chart is pretty much still in a bullish run.